Did you know there is a village just 5 kilometers from Jharsuguda, Odisha, where Lord Jagannath Rath Yatra is celebrated in a way that rivals Puri, and yet very few outside the region have heard of it. The story begins over 800 years ago. According to legend, Madhusudan Singh, the Gontia of Kukurjanga, had a divine dream. In it, he saw the idols of Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra buried in the nearby village of Behrapalli. Following the vision, he found the earthen idols, brought them to the Kukurjanga and built a temple. A Mahant was appointed to perform rituals, and unbroken traditions still followed today. The present brick temple was built in 1517 AD by Madhusudan Singh during the reign of the Chhatrasap Dev, the 7th king of Sambalpur. The temple stands 45 feet height on a base measuring 25 by 20 feet. An inscription inside the temple records a major renovation in 813 AD. Two majestic pillars greet every visitor, the Aruna Stambha, 32 feet tall, and the Garuda Stambha, rising 6 feet. The temple enshrines the holy triad, Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra, and Devi Subhadra, worshipped with the deep devotion just like at Puri. But the true marvels lies in Kukurjanga Rath Yatra. While Puri celebrates for 9 days, Kukurjanga celebrates for 14 days, from Dwadashi to Ashadha Purnima. And here is the surprise. Only one chariot is used, but it has 16 wheels, just like Lord Jagannath Nandighos in Puri. And what truly set this Rath Yatra apart, the chariot is not pulled by ropes, but by 4 large bamboos. Legend says when villagers once tried using ropes, the chariot could not move an inch. Since then, it is pulled with the bamboos only. This is nothing short of the Jagannath miracle. On the 11th day of the Yatra, while Puri celebrates Sunabesa, Kukurjanga too adorn the deities in silver ornaments. Most rituals here mirror the grand practices of the Sri Mandira at Puri, preserved with the care by the temple servitors and the local community. Many villagers believe the festival lasts 14 days so that the elders returning from Puri after Bahuda Yatra can join in. Whatever the reason, the celebration brings the entire village together in devotion and joy. Kukurjanga's Jagannath temple is not just a place of worship, it is a living tradition, a miracle in motion, and a cultural gem of Odisha waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more untold stories from India's spiritual heartland. Comment below if you have ever visited Kukurjanga or want to witness this Rath Yatra. Until next time, Jai Jagannath.